Hello Internet World, Matthew here with Whiteboard Hero, the show where I bring you an expert in a thing and they teach you about the thing. I'm here with Adam Schwam. I'm running out of creative nouns, and he's going to talk to you today about the art of conversation. All right, Adam, whiteboard's yours.
Well, we're going to do something before the whiteboard.
Oh yeah, what's up?
Hi, I'm Adam Schwam.
Hi, Matt Helton. Nice to meet you.
Nice grip, my brother.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well.
Rule number one.
Okay.
Be yourself.
All right.
Okay, and that's the biggest thing that I can say
Such a
about
cliche.
conversation. Right, but it's very true. So you don't want to be someone that you're not, because that's kind of like lying. After you get to the end of the second sentence, you're going to have to start thinking about what you say. Yeah. What you say is very important.
Sounds exhausting.
Sometimes, but if you try to be someone that you're not, you're always going to have to be that person.
Right. That's what I mean by exhausting. Keeping that image up just sounds like a waste of time.
It's always better off to be yourself, because if you meet someone who doesn't like you for you, then you're never going to be able to be in that circle.
Right.
And people are generally inclined to work with people they genuinely like. Even if they don't really like you in some way, the fact that you are genuine pulls you in.
They don't have to like you, they just have to understand you.
Right. And there are some people out there that you're not really going to like either. But if they're genuine, you're going to see right past that.
Right.
And a lot of the things you're going to have to overcome is not just your own insecurities, is someone else's insecurities. And that's the big thing.
So how does that tie into the art of conversation itself?
Well, when people talk, most people are generally insecure.
That's a good rule.
Okay.
Write that down.
All right. Insecurity. Okay. I can tell you this. Look in the mirror, know your insecurities, understand them, don't be afraid of them. Okay?
That's
It's
awesome.
rule number one.
So own it, basically.
Yeah, I look in the mirror every day and I tell myself, you are good looking. No, I'm not that good looking. I got a head like the size of a bowling ball. That's okay. You know why? Because with my big head, I'm rolling strikes. Okay? And I just made that up. That's a meme. And I just made
that. A meme. That's a great meme.
I just made that up too. Insecurities. Attack your insecurities. It'll help you with the art of conversation.
Okay.
Most importantly, you from the Karate Kid, Mr. Miyagi said, always look eye. Always look people in the eye.
Okay.
Okay? That's real important. Looking people in the eye is a really big thing.
But not in like a creepy way.
No, not in a creepy way. Just be able to talk to their face. Don't look down.
Right.
You know, what happens is that when you start doing that, you're almost selling yourself on the fact that you're not important enough to talk to them. And that's the big thing. So if you're talking to someone who is very accomplished and professional, sitting at the top of their game, they're on the same level as you. They're human. We all come from the same stardust. We all come from the same place. And,
thank you for the Carl Sagan reference. Much appreciated.
Definitely, without a doubt. And you know what? We all came from the Big Bang somewhere.
Yeah.
All right? So, insecurities. Your insecurities can make you secure. Because once you know what these are, you become secure.
Right.
Okay?
Just own it.
That's right. Own it. Own it. If you have a face that was made for radio, know it. It's not going to bother you. By the way, some of the guys that I know when we were younger who, let's call it, were not glamour models or not as good looking, those are the guys that ended up, and they knew it was a game of numbers. The more people that they talked to, the more dates they would go on. Right. And that's just the way it was. Okay? And that's a really big thing. Next, ask them about them first.
Okay.
Okay? And it's not about usually their business. I mean, you're going to ask those questions later.
Yeah, it's going to come up.
Do they have family? Do they have kids?
Personal questions.
Right, exactly. So even when I'm...
But not invasive. Just general personal questions.
When you're asking someone how you do today, when you ask someone how they're doing today, right? Be prepared if it's going to be a bad answer.
Yeah.
Okay? And in those situations, you have to become humorous.
Right.
So it's, how you doing? What's going on? What'd you do last week?
Got divorced.
Got divorced. Oh, that's a new start. Always try to find
the positive there.
Right. try to find a positive.
Find the bright side to the train wreck.
There always is lemons. There always is lemonade and lemons somewhere. You can actually really turn that around.
But it's not at the same time. It's not like it's not like you're ignoring or downplaying the negative that's happened to them. It's like you want them to see that there's always another angle to take that.
Sure. And if they say something like, I just got divorced, I have a sister or a brother. Those things work. By the way, humor is very important.
Okay. That was my next question.
Yeah, humor is very, very important. People like people that are funny. It's just a natural thing. People watch comedy.
Right.
They do. And they like it. And don't be afraid to try and be funny.
Right.
Because, and first off, another thing, don't try
to
too
be
hard.
Funny. Yeah.
Don't try too hard.
Yeah.
Once again, trying too hard goes back to insecurity.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So, and getting back to insecurities. Everyone has insecurities. By the way, the people that seem most confident are usually the most insecure. Okay, and if you're going to get something out of this segment, insecurities, know your own, make you secure. Say hello, a little bit of personal stuff, ask them what they do, and you know what? Wait for them to ask you what you do.
Okay. So it sounds to me like there's an important pacing to all of this, and a lot more. It's important to be as relaxed as possible in the art of conversation.
Definitely.
And authentic. So relaxed, authentic, and Adam, thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. All right, so this is Matt and Adam reminding you to level up. Catch you on the next one.